Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Equine Essentials. I'm your host, Grey Parks, nutritionist for ProTrition Feed, here with some very exciting news today about our updates to our Pinnacle horse feed line. You might have seen some of this new branding on social media or in your local co-op stores. We have updated our Pinnacle horse feeds. We have a fresh new look with our packaging and also some formula updates. On the packaging, the first thing that you'll notice is our color change. Every bag now is its own color, which should make it a little bit easier for you in the stores and in your barns to tell exactly which product you're grabbing. We have updated photographs and graphics and new information on our bags. We've also simplified the feeding directions for you on the back of the bag to make it easier for you to figure out exactly how much of each product your horse should be eating. You'll see that our feeding directions assume that your horse is eating at least 1.5% of its body weight per day in a good quality forage, but we do provide minimum and maximum feeding rates for those products where that is applicable. So what is different about your feed? Well, we have taken the same excellent quality nutrition that we already had in our Pinnacle line and made some updates to make sure we're giving you the best possible nutrition for your feed dollars and that we're keeping up with current research findings and news every day. So for example, we've changed the trace mineral sources to ensure that a higher percentage of our trace minerals, including selenium, copper, and zinc, are coming from the more bioavailable organic sources that ensure that your horse can use all of the copper, zinc, and selenium in its diet, regardless of any other antagonists that might be present, like high iron in your soil. We've increased the magnesium content of these products to better complement our local forages, especially in the fast-growing spring and fall seasons. And we've made some other minor tweaks that will help us give you the best quality product we can and also the best dollar value for what you're spending on your feed. The first stage of our Pinnacle line update you'll be seeing will be 3 products that are rolling into your local stores any day now. Our Pinnacle Balancer, item 336 PE, did not change names, but you'll see in a minute we did make a few tweaks to the formula. Item 323 PE, which you know as Pinnacle Senior, will now be called Pinnacle Maturity. And item 321, which you know as Pinnacle 1400, or maybe even Co-op Advantage if you've been around for a while, will now be called Pinnacle Versatility. Starting with our Pinnacle Balancer, you'll see, again, the updated packaging and some formula tweaks that we think provide a lot of added value to this product. Balancer is what's known as a ration balancer. That means that the average horse will eat somewhere between 1.5 and 2.5 pounds per day, depending on exactly what that horse is doing and how tall or large your individual animal is. One of the most exciting things about our update on the Balancer is that we've increased the biotin content in this product so that it now contains 7.5 milligrams per pound. That means that if your horse gets 2 pounds per day, then you're not just giving it a ration balancer, you're also giving it a hoof supplement. So we can save you a lot of day-to-day dollars with this new product. As always, we've maintained a low starch and sugar, low calorie content for this product since it's primarily designed for easy keepers. Next up is our new Pinnacle Maturity, formerly known as Pinnacle Senior. This remains a complete senior feed, meaning that it has enough fiber to be a hay replacement if your horse can no longer chew or digest its forage. This product, for a horse that is still getting hay and grass, will be fed at a 5 to 9 pound a day rate, just like it always has. And for the horse who can no longer eat hay or pasture, 1.5 to 2% of that horse's body weight. Just like Balancer, this remains a low starch and sugar product, and it will be a moderate calorie product for those horses that need a complete forage replacement. If we made it high calorie, then they wouldn't be able to eat enough of the feed to meet their fiber needs without getting fat. And our third update this fall is our Pinnacle Versatility product. This remains our all life stages pelleted feed. This product, like most concentrates, is designed to be fed at around 4 to 8 pounds per day for most classes of horses. This will remain a low to moderate sugar and starch product and a higher calorie product than our senior feed because it's designed to be fed in slightly lower quantities. You will notice if you've been on our social media pages or on our co-op website, we do have some coupon offers out for these updated products. These coupons can be found by visiting the link you see on this slide at our coop.com. And these coupons are good through the end of the year. So if you've been feeding these products and want to try the new formula, or have not ever fed our Pinnacle feeds and are now interested in one of these updated products, be sure to print yourself a coupon to save a little dollars on your trial. And don't think that's all we're doing. Coming at sometime in early 2024, the remainder of our Pinnacle line will be updated, including our low starch, our growth feed, all of our textured feeds, as well as our pelleted rice bran product. So stay tuned for more information. If you have any questions about your Pinnacle horse feed or anything else related to nutrition for your animals, you're always welcome to reach out to me at gray.parks@protritionfeed.com. Thank you for joining me again for this episode of Equine Essentials. We'll see you again in a few months.